Hey guys, what's up? What's up? How you all doing? My name is Martin from Email Bouncer, and in this tutorial today, I'll be teaching you how to set up email signature on Roundcube Webmail. So if you have a Roundcube Webmail login or email client and you've been looking for how to set up an email signature, in this video here, I'm going to show you how to do it. So without wasting much time, let's get started. So to set up your email signature on Webmail, ensure you logged in and click on settings. Head over to identities right here and click on the identity or the send from email address that you want to set up the signature for. So in my case, I just have one identity here, so I'm going to click on it right here, and I'll scroll down to this point, and this is where I would create my email signature for. So I'll just quickly explain a few things to you on how you can set up your email signature. So on Roundcube Webmail, you can set up your email signature by using plain text, HTML, or image-based signature. So by default, this is if you click on this X button, this is the plain text box. So here, if you're cool with setting up just a plain text signature, you could just simply type your email signature here. So just for instance, you want to type your name, Martin from AI book. Then you add your web address, www.temp-emails.org. And then you could add your contact address or your Facebook or thereabout, whatever you want, you could just add them here. So this is how to set up a plain text signature. Now, if you want to set up HTML based signature, you just click on this pencil icon here and it's going to revert back to the HTML editor. So here you can see what we typed, it just showed up. And if you're very good with coding, then you can just click on this drop down here or these three icons here, and you click on code here, source code. So it's going to show you the code to your HTML signature. So like I said, if you are good with coding or you know how to use ChatGPT to generate the HTML based email signature for your Roundcube, you can just copy the raw codes and paste it in here, and that's it. So the third option is using image based, which I would always recommend because it's easier and helps you customize to your taste. So if you want to use an email based signature, you can just simply delete what you have here. And then before we upload our image based email signature, we'll have to create it first. And to create this, I recommend using Canva. So open a new tab on your browser and search for Canva email signature generator. Okay, my computer is a bit slow. Just exercise some patience. Okay, Canva email signature generator right here. And you click on the option that opens up. So let's wait for the search result to pop up before we can proceed. So here, the free email signature generator on Canva, it's a very useful tool and it's what I love using. So I'm going to click on it right here. And when it pops up, you can select from some of the pre-built templates, or if you want to also try out your hands and create your own email signature from scratch, that choice is yours. But I'd rather go with one of the free templates, ready-made templates, and edit to my taste to save time. So let's wait for the page to load up properly before I click on the create an email signature button. Okay, so it's here. So I click on this button right now, and it's going to direct me to the edit page.
Okay, yeah. Yeah.
Okay, so the canvas is loading up now, and it should be up soon in a few wee seconds. So like I said earlier, these are some of the pre-built templates. They have free and premium template. It all depends on your Canva subscription. So as at the time of making this video, you can see that my Canva business subscription has been put on hold because of a failed payment, but the free template works fine for me. So let's say I want to use this free template here. You can see it's free because it doesn't have this crown icon here. So I'll click on this. and then I can decide to edit it to my taste. So all of these elements here are clickable and editable. I could change the name, change the phone number, change the email address, change the web address, and change the home address. And also the icon, the image icon of the person right here, I can also change them. So let's start with the name first. My name isn't Michael, so my name is Martin rather, so I'll just type in my name. You can also type in yours. And my position, well, I do a whole lot of things. I'm an email security analyst or email deliverability expert. So I'm going to go with email security analyst. And I could just add my phone number, my contact email address. Okay, so let me add something here. Martin at temp-emails.org and my website. Okay, so let me add something again. I go rest. And I could also decide to change this picture and have my own image uploaded. But to save time, I'll just proceed with this and I'll just give a name. I'll say my email signature. And then I'll click on share to download either as PNG or JPG. But I'll advise you to go for JPG because it's way better. It's smaller and doesn't take up much space. So I'll click on download and the file type from the drop down. I'll click on JPG and I'll click on download. So the image based signature is downloaded. And once the download process is complete or it's complete, I'll head over to Webmail. And then let me show you again. So to upload your image based signature, your image based email signature to Webmail, click on this three dots here and click on this image icon here. So now you can choose to upload it directly or paste the source URL. For instance, if you have your image-based signature uploaded elsewhere, you could just copy the URL, the upload URL, the source URL, and paste it here. And Webmail, Roundcube Webmail will kind of encrypt it directly and have it display. But I'm going to upload mine directly. So I'll click on the upload icon here and I'll click on add image. You can see the recommended size, not more than 64 kilobytes. So ensure your image-based email signature isn't above this file size. So I'm just checking on my downloaded files. Yeah, this is it right here, my email signature. And you can see the size is 15.5 kilobytes. So just within the safe range. So I'll click on open. And I'll click on it and I'll click on save. Awesome. You can see my signature has popped up. I could also decide to resize it by dragging this. And I can also decide to align it to the center by clicking on any of these options. But I'll just leave it at default and float it back to the left. And once I'm satisfied, I'll click on save. That's it. So now let me show you what it looks like when I'm composing an email. So if I head over to the compose tab here, and awesome, you can see my email signature on Webmail Roundcube. So that's how you can easily create your email signature on Roundcube Webmail. And if you'd love to learn how to set up a self-hosted private Roundcube Webmail client that sends up to 200 emails per hour, then I'll advise you to head over to our academy at emailbouncer.org, learn.emailbouncer.org. Click on the browse courses. And this is the course right here, Roundcube Webmail Setup Mastery Class. So this course teaches you how to set up your own private Roundcube Webmail on a VPS with a dedicated IP. So that way you are not sharing your IP address or SMTP server with anyone. And this is guaranteed inbox delivery. It lands inbox every time. Yeah, so that's it. This is the course curriculum. You're going to learn a whole lot of things, how to set up including how to choose the best VPS with port 25 open, and also how to get cheap domains, and also how to warm up your Roundcube Webmail email, your Roundcube SMTP server, and to ensure that your emails actually get delivered to the inbox. So thanks for watching, and if you found value after watching this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and also share this content across your network. I'm going to leave a link in the description of this video to this course, so if you want to take it, that would be cool. Bye for now, and don't forget to check out my channel for my next videos. Bye bye.